Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 7. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface Pro 7 can't even get through a meeting, it's likely due to a failing battery. This can happen as batteries age and lose their ability to hold a charge. If left unresolved, you may find yourself unable to use your device effectively, missing important tasks or meetings. To replace the battery, you'll need a prying tool, a Torx screwdriver, a suction cup, and a replacement battery specifically for the Surface Pro 7. First, ensure your device is powered off. Using the suction cup, gently lift the display from the device's body. Be cautious as you work your way around the edges with the prying tool to avoid damaging the screen. Once open, locate the battery, which is typically situated centrally within the device. You may see some adhesive securing it in place. Gently lift the battery connector using the prying tool, taking care not to damage the surrounding components. Remove any screws that secure the battery using the Torx screwdriver, and carefully lift the battery out. When inserting the new battery, ensure it sits properly and reconnect the battery connector. Remember to apply the same screws you removed earlier to secure the new battery in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the new battery is securely in place, it's time to reattach the display. Align it properly and press down gently to ensure it snaps back into position. Now power on your Surface Pro 7 to verify that the new battery is functioning as expected. To help prevent future battery issues, consider avoiding extreme temperatures and keeping your device updated with the latest software. Regularly check the battery health in the system settings to catch any potential issues early. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.